Namaste, Laura here. Hope everybody is fine. What you see just now was a variation of headstand, a very beautiful posture, Sirsasana as in Sanskrit. I really love this headstand posture. As if you are getting better and you build this into part of your sequence and your flow, it is such a beautiful flow. Today I will teach you how to get into headstand safely. 3 things to bear in mind: do not compress your neck, do not jump into headstand, and try to keep your elbow close as you go up. Having said that, all these beautiful things and all these things, people with hypertension, high blood pressure, heart disease, neck injury, do not try this pose because this pose may be counterproductive for you. Now let's get into headstand. I will show you what I mean by jumping into the headstand, and also the rounding the back and the compression. And after that, I will show you how to get into the headstand safely, and we will go with the wall and go off the wall. Okay, let me show you what do I mean by putting the pressure, compressing the neck. When you go up the headstand, don't round the back, because once you do this, you are putting a lot of pressure to the neck. Yeah, okay. This is what I mean by compressing the neck. Secondly, do not jump into headstand. So a lot of people, when they go into headstand, they like to jump. So for me, I am a seasoned headstander. Yeah, so I am very stable in my headstand, so I can control my fall. But for those beginners, you may not be able to control your fall. You may fall the other side and hurt your neck. That is the last thing you want to do in yoga. Yoga is not about hurting yourself. It's about healing. So don't go the other way around. And the other thing is about your elbow. Try to get your elbow close. Okay, when your elbow this way, it's very difficult for you to get stable. So try to squeeze your elbow in, interlock your fingers, interlock in such a way, and rest the crown, the flattest part of the head, to the floor. Okay, let's get started. First, we go very close to the wall. Just a little gap from the wall, your fingers. Okay, from here, crown on the floor, lift up, walk, walk, walk. Okay, for some people, today this is enough. You may not want to go further. You can stay here. Or if you feel very adventurous, if you want to try, lift up one knee, lift up one leg, bend the knee. Then lift up the other knee, the other leg, and bend the knee. Okay, this time, lift up one leg and lift up 2 legs. Bend both knees. If you feel okay, stay here. Just stay for a couple of breaths. But once you are ready, lift up one leg. Okay, you can find the wall to stable yourself. Then the other leg to the wall. Okay, once you are on the wall, try not to go this way. Don't create a banana back. It's really bad for your back, your lower back. From here, just engage your glutes, squeeze your abs, point the toes. Stay here. If you need the wall, just hold one leg here. Just keep doing this and find the point of stability. Once you are okay, bend both knees, slowly with control, come down. Child pose. Okay. Now, once you keep practicing near to the wall and your confidence grow, this time go a little bit far, just maybe a palm away. From here, same thing, interlock your fingers. On the crown, tuck your toes, lift up the hip, and again walk. Remember, the elbows squeeze in. Now from here, tiptoe, stretch your hamstring. Now this time, bend the leg. Bend your knees, lift up. Bend both knees, lift up with both legs. Point the toes. Shift all the weight to your shoulder. Do not compress the neck. Squeeze your abs. Okay. Stay here for a couple of breaths. If you are very stable, slowly now lower down those legs. Stay here in pike. And then slowly, with control, coming down. Again, back to child pose. I will show you how do you use the core to go up. Over the time, you will learn how to build the core strength. Use the core strength to go up. So from here, try to go a little bit far from the wall. Always build the confidence, have confidence in yourself. Now from here, just lift up, point the toes, go up, stay here, slowly come down, in pike, and come down. Next one, I will show you how to get into tripod headstand. Tripod headstand basically is when you do tripod, you place your hands in such a way and your head between your hands, a little bit further from the hand, and visualize a triangle there. Yeah, so again, go a little bit close to the wall. Maybe again, your head will be around one palm away. So from here, crown on the floor, tuck your toes, walk, walk, walk. Once you are in this position, remember, do not flare the shoulders, your elbows up. Keep your elbow close. One leg on the tricep, the other leg on the tricep. Keep doing this. And if you feel comfortable, now lift it up here, one stay here, and then slowly lift the other leg up. You can continue to stay here, or you can lift up one leg and slowly lift up the other leg. Stay. Remember to engage your glutes muscle, engage your abs. Okay, now from here, slowly come to the pike. If you can, you can play around with this. Just rest the knees on the tricep. Slowly with control, come down. Back to child pose. Okay, all this is with the wall. Now I will show you how to go against the wall, meaning that you'll be facing the wall and slowly build the confidence to go without the wall. Yeah. First, I will go with the supported headstand. Same thing, both soles on the wall. Just rest the crown on the floor, lift up. Same thing, put up the leg, walk the leg up, stay here. Remember, do not compress the neck. The weight should be on the shoulder. Once you are in this position, you feel comfortable, lift up one leg. Remember to point the toes. If you're okay, just tiptoe on the wall. Lift up the other leg and stay here. Breathe, couple of breathers. Slowly, slowly come down. If you can, come to the pike. And slowly with control come down. I will show you the same thing. How do you go into tripod using the wall to walk up, and then from there you build the confidence to go further and further from the wall. Yeah. Your head in the center here. Just visualize a triangle here. Now, from here, slowly lift up. Okay, tiptoe on the wall. Just play around. Engage your glutes, engage your core muscle. Strong arms. Remember, your elbow shouldn't fly out. Try to keep it close. Stay here. Breathe. Again, if you can, come to the pike. And slowly come down. Okay, so these are a few ways that you can go up into headstand. Using the wall to help you to build the confidence. And from here, it's the same thing. You just walk further and further. From here, just go up. Okay, you can play around. Once your headstand is stable, just play around with the headstand. Slowly with control. Okay, so I hope you find something benefits to you using this tutorial, and have a wonderful practice and have fun. And remember, do not jump into the headstand and go into the headstand safely. Have a good day. Bye bye.